Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of Windows installation. Here we're gonna install Windows 10 64-bit version. Before seeing this video, first of all you have to check my previous video. First of all, select the Windows version you want to install and then press enter. Here you have to agree the license and then next, and better use custom. It will install only the required one, no update, no problem. And here you have to create the partition, and while creating partition you have to make the partition of 100,000. It means about 97 GB, and then apply it. It will create custom partitions and install the window in created partition, that is 97 GB, and then press enter. This is all you have to do. Just press it, and the window installation process starts. This process generally take a bit time, but I have skipped that waiting time, and no waiting, it's really off. And now my window is going to install, and here we go. Now this after 10 seconds is completed, or after 5 seconds, 4 seconds, you can just plug out the window or DVD or DVD drive, any boot media you have used to boot. Just plug it out and let the window start itself. Really slow and calm. You know, slow and steady wins the race. Ta-da! You just put the name you want to put. I put Windows. Sorry guys, I just skipped that part where the window starts itself, and after some time the desktop opens. Thank you guys. Subscribe our channel and comment what do you want me to do.